Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add multiple photos on WhatsApp to a status with layout. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you tap on your WhatsApp application. After that, tap on updates. You can see that add status. Tap on this icon. You can see that already add status, text, music, layout and voice. Tap on layout. Next, you select different types of photo. Tap on right icon. You can see that these photos various types of design this collection. Tap on done. Tap on this icon. Write here some things. Tap on select your favorite icon. Next, tap on this icon. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.